zozzolozza. E a questo andava, stimmela, si pomma, simba, zozzolozza, zozzolozza. E a questo andava.
Elephants approach humans' villages instead of their space. When they are going to die, they die in the place that they were born. That's why people say that they are so intelligent. Their trunk workers say they have 2 fingers that help them pick up things. A male uses its tusks to fight. A baby elephant uses its mouth, not its trunk, to feed. 2, it uses its trunk for a water shower or a dust bath. They roll in mud and dust for they don't get sunburned or mosquito bite. The size of an elephant is a good reason to leave it alone.
I'm not gonna be with that guy.
It could be up to 12 feet long. It's enormous. A baby elephant is just 3 feet long. An adult elephant, it weighs 12,000 pounds. A baby elephant have a very short trunk because they don't use it so much as an adult. Tusks are gigantic teeth. They could be up to 7 feet long. A baby elephant gets its tusks when they're about 2 years old. How do the ears work? The ears work as they have air conditioners because when they're in a hot and sunny and dry day, the little air goes into their ears and that goes in their blood vessels and that cools its large body. Elephants can live in many different habitats of the African savanna because most of their food is in the African savanna. For example, they eat tree bark, fruits, and roots. That's the elephant.
I'm gigantic, huh? Whoa, what's that white thing in the grasslands? I'll look over and see it. It must be a leopard because leopards have white spots on the tip of their tails and back of their ears that helps them locate and communicate each other in tall grass.
Hi.
Leopards are great athletes. They can run up to 36 miles per hour. They can jump 20 feet forward and 10 feet straight up. Leopard cubs play by practicing their behaviors on their brothers, sisters, and even on their mothers.
Yay, I win!
Leopards have the smallest big cat roar. Leopards are good swimmers and one of the only cats who like water. Leopards are solitary animals and mostly like to hunt antelopes and gazelles. A leopard's spots, called rosettes, provide an excellent camouflage for when they're hunting their prey. After they got their prey, they climb up a tree with their prey and hang their prey up in the tree for other predators like lions and hyenas not to ravage. Then they climb down the tree head first. Leopards are the most graceful and successful of the cats at stalking their prey.
That's me.
E a questo andava, stimmela, si pomma, simba.
Oh, finally! We've made it to the African savanna.
I didn't expect those lions.
Me neither, but let's investigate them. I know a fact. Lions are sneaky in the African grasslands.
They have small jaws but powerful.
They mean strength and aggressive. I am the king of the world.
They have a long tail flapping all day long.
I love my tail. They are great climbers.
Lions live in prides. Prides are groups made of 3 to 30 lions.
Long time ago, lions lived in the whole world except for Australia and Antarctica. But now we only live in some parts of Asia and Africa because a lot of humans killed us for the magical and medical power. They adapt to African savanna because of their yellow mane and their orange color, so they can hide and catch their prey. I think Kenya's taking too much. Let's go home.
Great, we're the only ones left.
Whoa, I see another lion right there.
Great, let's investigate them carefully.
Let's see. Oh, I see. Calves that are born are blind, and they weigh less than 5 pounds. Calves bounce everything it moves.
Lions can run the length of a football field in just 6 seconds. That means that they can run easily away from grass fires.
It's a thick mane because a lot of lions fight for food and territories. So the thicker mane means the stronger lion.
They weigh up to 420 pounds.
Lions eat as large as wildebeest and zebras, and as small as mice and lizards.
They grow 6 to 1.8 meters.
When they hunt a lot, they couldn't eat it all. So other carnivores like cheetahs can steal their prey. So it provides more than 50% of African savanna's meal. Yay! I do that!
They stretch their legs to catch prey.
They hunt in special way. The first group of fast lions quickly chase the prey to the other side. If the prey is close enough, the another lions jump and kill the prey with their sharp teeth. So they have more chance of getting more great food, and they have a less chance getting injured. Oh, what a kind lion that helped us.
Yeah, what a kind lion. Let's get out.
They're not coming!
Heya pues santaba, simela, sipoma, simba, we.
Whoa, what's that fast animal? It must be a cheetah, because cheetahs can run very fast. Did you know that the cheetah's ability to run starts with their flexible spine? This allows their back legs to stretch far forward on each stride. The fastest cheetahs can run about 70 miles per hour. Some adaptation that the cheetah has is that it has great camouflage when it hunts because of its yellow fur and black spots. Another one is that cheetahs have larger nasal passages, allowing them to take in more air during a recovery period after a sprint. Most adult cheetahs can grow 4 feet tall. They can't roar like lions, but they can do a bird-like sound. Their claws have to be sharp when they're hunting, and that makes the hunt more successful. Cheetahs need to protect their meal by lions, hyenas, and leopards. When cheetahs hunt, they try to stay the most close possible to its prey before it attacks. The moms tell the cubs to hide because predators can notice them and they can run away. Female cheetahs fight for territory. Once catchy, cheetah holds his prey with a strong bite in their neck. After a sprint, cheetahs try to find shade to rest. Cheetahs are endangered species because farmers are killing them, taking their grasslands to build farms. Cheetahs hunt alone and don't have any of the group that lions do. I'd like to take the cub to my home. the cheetah.
Nice job. All right. Who's rhinos? You guys are ready?
Heia quesantava, stimmela, sipoma, simba. When uyabaleka, uyabaleka.
This animal is a rhino. Oh no, it's a rhino! White rhinos is from 12 to 13 feet and from 4 to 7 meters. Sometimes horns of rhinos break, but they grow again. Oh, my your horns! Oh, it grows again. Black rhinos can run 40 miles per hour, 62 kilometers per hour. Black and white rhinos are not black and white. They are both brownish gray. The rhino's horns is used to guard dogs. Male rhinos can live from 7 to 8 years. And females from 6 to 7. Rhinos are almost as big as hippos.
Hey, I'm bigger than you.
I don't think so. White rhino can weigh 5,000 pounds. The word rhinoceros comes from the Greek rhino nose. The rhino comes from a family called the Rhinocedonti. That was the rhino.
Now, going with Dr. Philip. Rhinoceros get their name from their most famous feature, their horns. The word rhinoceros comes from the Greek rhino nose. There are 5 types of rhino. There are Sumatran, Javan, black, white, and a greater one-horned rhino. The Sumatra and Javan rhinos are critical at this.
Oh no, I'm the last.
For a baby rhino to get born, it costs 19 months. 19 months later. Hi, my baby. And now for grand finale. The rhino fight.
Heia quesantava, stimmela, sipoma, simba, way.
The rock hyrax lives in the rocks in the African savanna. There's many groups of the rock hyrax, but the rock hyrax is a different group because of the place it lives and its adaptations. Its adaptations are that it has 2 large incisor teeth that can grow to be like teeny tiny tufts, just like the elephant. They are like the little brothers of the elephant. The rock hyrax is covered in short brown fur with a light underbelly. They can camouflage with its own color like a rock. The rock hyrax are considered as fairy football for many people. If a rock hyrax is lost or in danger, it will make a squeaky whistle or sharp bark that is a warning call that danger is near. The rock hyrax are very cute and little animals. They have an extra nail called the grooming claw. They have short legs and they also have short legs and rounded toes.
The rock hyrax are not considered as an endangered animal. They have become as common as North American squirrels, but in Africa, that's the rock hyrax.
Wow, what's this animal? I'm gonna look at its colors. Oh no, it's a wild duck. The African wild ducks are a kind of domestic dog or Asian dog, which is a German Shepherd.
Woof, woof.
It has large rounded ears, long legs, and a white tipped tail. It has a black line of fur running on its ears. It's randomly colored with brown, black, gray, and white. The colors are unique. They camouflage with its color. It's family with jackals, foxes, coyotes, wolves, dingoes, and other domestic dogs. The coloration makes it look much more larger. Sometimes they're called the African painted wolf. Did you know that the African wild dogs are endangered? Some farmers consider them as nuisances, so they kill them. They eat wildebeest, antelope, Thompson's gazelles, hyrax, and small rabbits. When they hunt with different manners than lions.
Steve?
Hello?
I'm sorry for the interruption. Can you send Maria Guzman to the office for a second, please? Thank you.
Can we go back to the part with you, Johnson?
We can do that again because we have to retape it.
Just that one part where he comes in, just say what you said right before.
They have different manners than lions when they hunt.
Wait. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go.
When they hunt, they have different manners than lions. When they hunt, they go by groups to catch their prey. This is the wild dog.
Whoa! What's that animal? I'm gonna measure its ears. Whoa, they're 5 inches long. So it must be a bad ear fox.
That's me.
A bad ear fox is an insectivore. That means it eats insects, but it too eats little birds and fruits. A bad ear fox is omnivore. A bad ear fox can have 3 to 6 kids. Kids are how they call their youngs. The animals that eat the bad ear fox are lions, cheetahs, and walnuts, and too many other animals. The bad ear fox survived the Ice Age extinction of the mammoth, and it has been almost around for 12,000 years. The scientific name for this animal is Aedes megalotis. That means dog with big ears. These foxes are monogamous. That means they can just have one wife. These foxes are nocturnal during hot summers. Nocturnal is meanwhile present and some animals are sleeping. The bad ear fox is awake, catching food or running. But they're diurnal during winter. Diurnal is the opposite of nocturnal. That's the bad ear fox.
That's me. This is the bad ear fox. The bad ear fox has many has many extraordinary and amazing body parts. The members of the dog family have 2 upper and 3 lower molars each side of the mouth, 3 upper and 4 lower and 4 lower molars. Its ears are full of adhesive so they can cool this animal off. And they give this animal very good sense of hearing. Its color is sandy gray with a lighter front on the belly jacket and its sides, muscles of back, ears, and tail tip. That was physical. Behavioral. Little foxes sometimes travel up 75 miles and 12 kilometers each night looking for food. Especially these teeth that they chew their creepy crawling food, so they have those hard ears so they can listen carefully. It's hear the insects by its sound, and these foxes jump and catch its prey. That was the bad-eared fox.
That's
the caracal. The caracal is an expert bird hunter. The caracal can jump 3 to 10 feet. And the caracal is a very solitary animal. The caracal can hide in dark water and yellowish trees. And the caracal black hair in the top of his ears is called tufts. Another functioning for the tuft, like one is antennas. And the other one is to aim its prey. The caracal is the most dangerous in its zone.
I'm the king of the world!
And now you have learned of the caracal.
That's the wildebeest stampede. Some of the behavioral traits of the wildebeest is that the wildebeest is a vertebrate mammal. The wildebeest is also called a gnu. The wildebeest is a primary source of prey. And the wildebeest its predators are humans, crocodiles, hyenas, hunting dogs, cheetahs, and lions. That was behavioral traits. Now physical traits. The Swahili name is Nyumbu Jamuntu. The scientific name is Conochaetes taurinus. Its habitat is open woodland and open grassy plains. Its favorite food is grass. And the wildebeest comes from a family called the Bovidae. That's the wildebeest.
Oh, I wonder what that animal is. I'm going to take a better look at it. I think it's an antelope because antelope have horns that help them fight their predators. They can jump from one place to another. For example, if an antelope started jumping right here, it could jump 1 meter forward from that place. The antelope also have hooves that help them balance well on slippery things.
That's right.
The smallest antelope is called the royal antelope.
I'm the royal.
And the biggest antelope is called the eland.
I'm the eland.
There are many different kinds of antelope, but antelope mostly feed on grass. Although some species sometimes feed on small mammals, birds, and insects. That is the antelope.
Heia que santava, stimmela, sipoma, simba, way.
Hello. Whoa, who's up all the way up there? Oh, I know. It's our herbivore friend, the giraffe. Well, I could tell it's a giraffe because its spots on its body. Well, the spots in its body is how it adapts to the African savanna. And they are 19 feet tall, from all the way to the bottom of its hooves, all the way to the horns on tip of its head. It spends most of its day eating because it eats 75 pounds per day. And the giraffe is also very tall. So I think they're actually taller than an elephant because they're actually really 19 feet. So they can really just get eaten, and that's why they're called prey. And they eat it. So they can drink by lakes, but if they drink by lakes, they can get eaten easily. So that is our tallest herbivore friend, the giraffe. Thank you.
Heia que santava, stimmela, sipoma, simba.
Meerkats have many cool adaptations. Meerkats have special closable ears they use while digging. They dig so much because they live in underground dens. Meerkats don't welcome other meerkat groups or mobs. Meerkats eat insects, snakes, lizards, birds, and fruit. Those small diggers are known to evolve from mongoose. Whoop! One difference between mongoose and meerkat is that meerkat have 4 toes and mongoose have 5. They're naturally bred by jackal, eagles, and hyena. For surviving predators, adults take turn as guardians. Guardians claim to the highest rock and stand on 2 legs. They have different noises for predators that attack by air and those that attack by land. That's the small mammal you're seeing.
Zozzolozza, heia que santava, stimmela, sipoma, simba, zozzolozza, zozzolozza.